Hi, Ben here at Walser Mazda, and today we're going to walk you through some of the best features in the i-Activesense with the 2026 Mazda CX-5. If you go in here to your gear icon in the bottom right, you'll be able to pull up all of your safety settings. It'll be the third one from the top. I'll go and click in there. First one we're going to call it is the driver assistance system. If you click in there, you'll have a bunch of different settings in there, but the one I want to focus on here is the cruise control acceleration level. So if you click in there, you can change how fast the car accelerates when you're in cruise control after getting back up to your set speed. So I'm going to set it to high. So we'll go back in there. Go back to safety alerts. This is just notifications if you're getting close to something or vehicles approaching. You'll be able to go in there and toggle some of those. So as you can hear, you'll have your lane departure as well, blind spot monitoring, vehicle exit warning, different things like that. And then in here, you'll have collision avoidance. So if you go in here, you'll have your lane assist keep. So it'll help you stay in the lanes while driving on the highway or interstate. Smart brake assist support, head-on collision mitigation, your smart brake support, emergency lane keep, road assistance, blind spot assistance, head-on traffic avoidance. You'll have all of your features in here that you can toggle on or off as you wish. If you go back, we'll go into driver attention alert. So this essentially helps you, your car will notify you if it notices you're starting to get fatigued or swerving a little bit. You can, again, toggle this on or off for some of those longer or shorter drives. And then lastly, at the bottom, we'll have our speed limit alerts, which is the TSR, which is our traffic sign recognition. So it'll show the speed limit on your digital cluster, which is one of my favorite features of the new CX-5s. And if we go back here, you can go home and you can actually get to this screen by just clicking on the car icon there, and you can have a little quicker view of all of the different safety features on the car. So if you want to toggle one of those on or off in a quicker fashion, you can click on that and it'll toggle it on or off. For this point, we will leave all those on because safety is king.